Dear students, today we will solve one example of joint venture method. No separate books of accounts are maintained for joint venture. In the subject Financial Accounting, Paper 2 for the class FY BCom, SEM 2, Veer Narmad, South Gujarat University. So, here is the question. Let us see the question first. Deepali and Devanshi entered into a joint venture involving the buying and selling of toys. The profit and loss was to be shared in the ratio of 3:1. The cost of the toys purchased was rupees 75,000, which was paid by Deepali, who drew a bill on Devanshi at 3 months for rupees 50,000. The bill was discounted by the Deepali at 10% discount. The transactions relating to the joint venture were as under. Deepali paid rupees 500 for carriage, rupees 1500 for commission on sales, and rupees 250 for travelling expenses. Transaction number 2. Devanshi paid rupees 200 for travelling expenses and 300 for sundry expenses. Transaction number 3. Sales made by Deepali amounted to rupees 53,500, but a rebate of rupees 1,000 was allowed for defective goods. Fourth transaction. Sales made by Devanshi amounted to rupees 37,500. So these were the 4 transactions. Now we will see the paragraph. Toys costing rupees 3,000 and 4,500 being unsold goods were taken over by Deepali and Devanshi respectively. These toys were valued at cost plus that percentage of gross profit that was realized on the total sales. Full stop. Deepali was credited with a sum of 750 to cover the cost of warehousing and insurance. The expenses in connection with the bills were treated as the charge against the venture. You are required to prepare joint venture account and Devanshi account in the books of Deepali and Deepali account in the books of Devanshi. So let us understand the question first. Okay, my dear students, as you all know that this is no separate books of accounts for joint venture. So I already mentioned one point, जिसकी बुक है उसमें उसका नाम नहीं आएगा. Okay, तो let us see the example first, question first, and we will try to understand the question. So Deepali and Devanshi entered into joint venture involving the buying and selling of toys. There are 2 partners, Deepali and Devanshi, and they have entered into the joint venture and they have entered for buying and selling of the toys. And the profit and losses to be shared by Deepali and Devanshi is 3:1. Okay, full stop. So the next point is, the cost of toys are purchased was 75,000, which was paid by Deepali. So the toys are purchased by Deepali. The toys are purchased by Deepali, and Deepali has drawn a bill on Devanshi. So Deepali is drawing a bill on Devanshi at 3 months for rupees 50,000, and Deepali is drawing the bill on Devanshi for how many months? 3 months for rupees 50,000. So this line says that the toys are purchased by Deepali. Okay, and Deepali is drawing a bill on Devanshi for 3 months. worth rupees 50,000. Full stop. The bill was discounted by Deepali at 10% discount. So here the bill is discounted by whom? By Deepali at 10% discount. 10% discount along with 3 months. Okay, full stop. So here a Deepali toy purchase transaction is over. So let us see the other transactions. Transaction number 1. Deepali paid 500 for carriage, 1500 for commission and 250 for traveling expense. So Deepali is paying the expenses. Deepali is paying the expenses. So the journal entry for this will be joint venture account debit to cash. Joint venture account debit to cash. We will not use the word Deepali, because first we are preparing in the books of Deepali joint venture account and Devanshi account. So we will not use the word Deepali. Okay. Next. Devanshi paid rupees 200 for travelling expense and 300 for sundry expense. So Devanshi is paying the expenses. So the journal entry will be joint venture account debit to Devanshi. Okay. Next. Sales made by Deepali amounted to rupees 53,500, but the rebate of 1,000 was allowed for defective goods. So here the sales are made by Deepali with a rebate of 1,000 rupees. So the sales made by Deepali will be 52,500. That is 53,500 minus 1,000 will give you 52,500. Okay, the sales are made by Deepali. So the journal entry will be cash account debit to joint venture. Cash account debit to joint venture. Again, we are not using the word Deepali because it is in the books of Deepali. We will not use the word Deepali. We will use cash or goods or purchase or sale, anything, depending upon the transaction. Fourth point, sales are made by Devanshi, amounted to 37,500. So the journal entry will be Devanshi account debit to joint venture. Okay. So these are the 4 transactions. Now the toys costing rupees 3,000 and 4,500 being unsold were taken over by Deepali and Devanshi respectively. So there are some toys whose costing in 3,000 and 4,500 which are unsold. अभी तक बिके नहीं है. तो that unsold stock is taken by Deepali and Devanshi. They have taken that. And these toys were valued at cost plus that percentage of gross profit that was realized on total sales. तो ये लाइन ये बोलती है कि जो अनसोल्ड गुड्स दीपाली और देवांशी ने लिए हैं, दे हैव टेकन एट कॉस्ट प्लस gross profit, and that gross profit is on the sales. That gross profit is on the sales. तो यहाँ हमें क्वेश्चन में ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट का परसेंटेज ढूंढना पड़ेगा. फुल स्टॉप. आगे, दीपाली वॉज क्रेडिटेड विथ द सम ऑफ रुपीज 750 टू कवर द कॉस्ट ऑफ वेयर हाउसिंग एंड इंश्योरेंस. Means these are the expenses which are to be covered up by Deepali. Who will do? Deepali. So these are the expenses which is to be done by Deepali. Journal entry will be joint venture to cash. Deepali की बुक है तो दीपाली का नाम नहीं आएगा. The expenses in connection with the bills were treated as a charge against the venture. Full stop. तो you are required to prepare joint venture account and Devanshi account in the books of Deepali. तो हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? In the books of Deepali, we are going to prepare joint venture account and Devanshi account. और उसके बाद in the books of Devanshi, joint venture account and Deepali account आपको घर पे खुद प्रैक्टिस में सॉल्व करना है. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. So now let us start with the example by first learning the journal entry, how to write down the journal entry of each the transactions. So let us see the journal entry over here. The first transaction is the cost of toys which are purchased by Deepali. So let us see toys purchased by Deepali. toys purchased by Deepali. So the journal entry will be joint venture account debit to cash account. The amount will be 75,000. The amount will be 75,000. You can see that we are preparing the accounts in the books of Deepali. We are preparing joint venture and Devanshi account. So we are not going to use the word Deepali. We will use cash, goods, sale, purchase, whatever, depending upon the transaction. Okay, so this is the first journal entry. Now ahead it is mentioned that Deepali has drawn a bill on Devanshi for 3 months. तो दीपाली ने देवांशी पे बिल ड्रॉ किया है. So that will be bill receivable. तो journal entry will be bill receivable account debit to Devanshi account rupees 50,000. Rupees 50,000. Next, this bill was discounted by Deepali at 10% discount. So Deepali discounted the bill at 10% discount. Now Deepali is discounting bill at 10% discount for how many months? For 3 months. 3 months. So 50,000 into 10% into 3 divided by 12. Into 3 divided by 12. So you will get the amount of discount. You will get the amount of discount. That will come to 1250. Okay. I would again like to repeat the transaction. 50,000 into 10% will give you 5,000. 5,000 into 3 divided by 12 will give you 1250 discount ka amount. Okay. So the journal entry will be cash account debit, joint venture account debit to bills receivable account. Cash account debit may the amount will come 48,750. Joint venture account में डिस्काउंट का अमाउंट आएगा दैट इज ₹1250 एंड टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल द टोटल अमाउंट दैट इज 50,000. So my dear students, this is a very important adjustment over here. I just want to I want you all students to take a note कि ये दो ट्रांसेक्शन का इन द बुक्स ऑफ देवांशी क्या रोल है. इन द बुक्स ऑफ देवांशी क्या रोल है. अब तो हम इन द बुक्स ऑफ दीपाली प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. तो इन द बुक्स ऑफ देवांशी इसकी जर्नल एंट्री क्या आएगी मैं यहाँ बता देती हूँ. ओके तो बिल की जर्नल एंट्री आएगी इन द बुक्स ऑफ देवांशी दीपाली अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स पेबल. दीपाली अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स पेबल 50,000. ओके और दूसरी डिस्काउंट की एंट्री आएगी जॉइंट वेंचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू दीपाली. Joint venture account debit to Deepali, the discount amount, okay, 1250. So these two entries which I mentioned over here will come in the books of Devanshi. Okay, my dear students, there it will be bills payable. Okay, so let us come back over here. The next transactions are Deepali is paying the expenses. So Deepali paid carriage, commission and travel expense. So the journal entry will be joint venture account debit to cash. Joint venture account debit to cash. The total of all the expenses comes to 2,250. Okay. Now the next journal entries. Devanshi is paying the expenses, traveling expense and sundry expenses. Okay. Here there is a mistake. It is 200 plus 300. So it will come to 500. I have mistakenly written here 500. So students, please correct it in your books. So the journal entry will be joint venture account debit to Devanshi account rupees 500. 500 कैसे आया? 200 plus 300. Next transaction, sales are made by Deepali. Who is making the sales? Deepali. And Deepali is making the sale with a rebate of the defective goods. Okay, so the journal entry will be cash account debit to joint venture. The amount will be 52,500. This amount came by minus 1,000 So 53,500 minus 1,000 will give you 52,500. Next transaction, seventh transaction. Sales which are made by Devanshi. Who is making the sales? Devanshi. So the journal entry will be Devanshi account debit to joint venture. The amount will be 37,500. Next transaction. Just pay attention on this transaction. This working is going to be useful to you in the short sums also. I am repeating, this working is going to be useful to you in the short sums also. Now come to the next transaction. The transaction which is given in your question, that is a toys which are costing rupees 3,000 and 4,500 which are being unsold. अनसोल्ड है एंड दैट इज टेकन ओवर बाय दीपाली एंड देवांशी. किसने ले लिया उसको? दीपाली एंड देवांशी. कैसे लिया? कॉस्ट के ऊपर प्रॉफिट ऐड करके, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ऐड करके ऑन सेल्स. तो बच्चों सबसे पहले तो मुझे यहाँ ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ढूंढना पड़ेगा. आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट द ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ईयर. ओके, सो तो लेट अस सी हाउ द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कम्स. सी दिस कैलकुलेशन ऑफ ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल्स. Your total sales which are made by Devanshi and Dipali, 52,500 plus 37,500, it will be 90,000. Okay, less cost of goods sold, so the cost is 75,000. Okay, 75,000 minus 3,000 of Dipali which is unsold, and minus 4,500 of Devanshi which is unsold. So the cost of goods sold will come to 67,500. तो आपका टोटल सेल है 90,000 और आपका कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड सोल्ड है 67,500. सो सेल्स में से कॉस्ट को माइनस कर दो, यू विल गेट अ ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ऑफ 22,500. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट मिला 22,500. But I have to find out the percentage of gross profit on the sale. How I will do that? Suppose cost is 100. Okay, so therefore 67,500 पे 67,500 आपका कॉस्ट है, उस पे कॉस्ट 100 है, तो 22,500 पे ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट का परसेंटेज कितना? तो आपको रेट ऑफ ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल्स मिल गया. कितना मिला? 33.33%. 33.33%. So this is the calculation of gross profit percentage on sale which will be useful to you in the short sum as well. अब हमें मिल गया. अब आगे ट्रांसैक्शन में ऐसा बोला है कि the goods which are taken over by Dipali and Devanshi is at cost plus profit. तो देखिए वर्किंग दीपाली एंड देवांशी, कॉस्ट 3,000 and 4,500. ओके, प्लस ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 33.33% विच इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द सेल. सो 3,000 पे प्रॉफिट गिनो तो आएगा 1,000 एंड 4,500 पे आप 33.33 गिनोगे तो 1,500. सो आपका दीपाली का अनसोल्ड गुड्स टेकन ओवर है 4,000 एंड देवांशी का 6,000. Okay, so this is the working of goods unsold which is taken over by Dipali and Devanshi. So now let us see the journal entry for the same. Unsold goods which are taken by Dipali and Devanshi at cost plus GP. हम अपने सेपरेट बुक्स में भी पढ़ा होगा, goods are taken over by the partners. So that comes on the credit side of joint venture only. Okay, but जिसकी बुक है उसमें हम उसका नाम लेंगे नहीं. So we will write purchase account debit instead of Dipali and Devanshi account debit 4,000 6,000 to joint venture account that comes to 10,000. So this is the journal entry for the goods which is taken over by Dipali and Devanshi. We are not using the word Dipali, we are using the word purchase because it is in the books of Dipali. Next transaction and the last transaction is Deepali has to cover the warehousing and insurance expenses, that is worth rupees 750. So the journal entry for these expenses which are made by Deepali will be joint venture account debit to cash account. The amount will be 750. So here we end with the journal entries. Here we end with the journal entries. Now let us see how to prepare the ledgers. You all know how to prepare it. We are going to prepare in the books of Deepali joint venture account and Devanshi account. So in the books of Deepali joint venture account. So let us post the journal entries one by one. Okay. So the first journal entry is joint venture account debit to cash, that is toys purchase 75,000 in the joint venture account. Second is, next in joint venture account, we are only going to see joint venture now. The next entry in joint venture account is cash account debit, joint venture account debit to bills receivable. So the journal entry will be in joint venture account to bills receivable in bracket discount, that is 1250. Next entry is the expenses paid by Deepali. So the journal entry we will post joint venture account debit to cash, carriage 500, commission 1500, traveling expense 250. So the total comes to 2250. Next, joint venture account debit to Devanshi account, the expenses paid. The journal entry we posted joint venture to Devanshi account, all the expenses by Devanshi, traveling expense, sundry expense. 200 plus 300 will give you 500. After that you can see that sales are made by Deepali. Sales are made by Deepali. So the journal entry is as above and the posting will be by cash account sales by Deepali 52,500. After that the sales made by Devanshi, by Devanshi account sales 37,500. Okay. Now the next transaction is the stock which is taken over by the partner. The journal entry is purchase account debit, Devanshi account debit to joint venture. So in joint venture account you will write by purchase account 4,000, by Devanshi account 6,000. This entry is about the unsold stock which is taken over by the co-venturers. After that the last entry is the expenses which are being covered up by Deepali. The journal entry is joint venture account debit to cash, the warehousing expense that comes to 750. Now we will find out the profit by closing this joint venture account, and the profit will be 20,250, which will be divided in the ratio of 3:1. So Deepali will get the profit of 15,188 and Devanshi will get the profit of 5,662. We will not use the word Deepali, we will use the word P&L account, and here we will use the word Devanshi. So this is your joint venture account in the books of Deepali. Now come to Devanshi account in the books of Deepali. So let us see what all entries will come over here. Bills receivable entry will be coming over here. Deepali drew a bill on Devanshi. So the journal entry is bills receivable to Devanshi. So we will write down by bills receivable 50,000. In this account, Devanshi account, we are only going to write the entries related to whom? Only to Devanshi. Devanshi. Okay, 50,000. After that, the expenses which are paid by Devanshi, it will be by joint venture account 500. Okay. Then the sales which is made by Devanshi, that is to joint venture account sales 37,500. After that, the last entry which is done by Devanshi is the stock which is taken over by Devanshi at cost plus GP, that is 6,000. So it will be to joint venture account 6,000. Okay. and last we will write down by joint venture account the profit which is coming from joint venture account, that will be 5062, and we will close this account and we will settle this account, settlement of Devanshi account. We will write down to cash account settle 12,062. Okay, so here we close the account. So students, here we are ending with this second sum of no separate books of account. What I have done, I have prepared only in one books, that is in the books of Dipali I have prepared joint venture account and Devanshi account. Your work at home is to prepare in the books of Devanshi, joint venture account and Dipali account. And I have previously stated two adjustment which you will have a issue about bills. तो वो मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया है कि इन द बुक्स ऑफ देवांशी बिल्स की एंट्री क्या आएगी. अगेन मैं रिपीट कर देती हूँ. इन द बुक्स ऑफ देवांशी बिल्स की एंट्री एक आएगी दीपाली अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स पेबल 50,000 एंड दूसरी डिस्काउंट की एंट्री आएगी जॉइंट वेंचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू दीपाली. ओके, और एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना, चाहे आप इन द बुक्स ऑफ दीपाली बनाओ या देवांशी बनाओ, जॉइंट वेंचर का प्रॉफिट तो आपका सेम ही आएगा, बिकॉज एंट्रीज तो वही है. बस जिसकी बुक होता है उसमें आप उसका नाम नहीं लिखते हो, आप क्या लिखते हो, कैश लिख देते हो, गुड्स लिख देते हो, सेल्स परचेज ये सब लिखते हो. सो कीप दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड. ओके, सो हियर वी एंड विद द एग्जाम्पल. आई होप आप सबको ये समझ आया है. वी विल मीट विद द नेक्स्ट सम next time. So students, bye, take care, have a nice day.